OpenAI have recently released the official ChatGPT app to iOS users. You may have noticed in searching for ChatGPT in the App Store, you are bombarded with copycats and imitations, some good and some not so good, trying really hard to grab your attention. If you search for ChatGPT, just look for the tagline, the official app by OpenAI, as shown here. Having the official app assists with ensuring quick and accurate results and also syncs with your OpenAI account, allowing seamless synchronization between your app on your phone and ChatGPT on the web. Voice commands are also available through Whisper, OpenAI's open source speech recognition system, enabling voice input for on the go. You can use this on your iPad or your iPhone. And the ChatGPT app is free in the App Store, with GPT 3.5 remaining free to use as of the date this video was recorded. Check it out by downloading it from the App Store today.